Okay, kids, never ever play with fire alarms at school or at daycare because fire alarms are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices that alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate the building immediately and also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out. So these things save buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you never ever play with these things. Not just at school or at daycare. You don't play with fire alarms in any public building. You don't play with fire alarms anywhere unless you have your own fire alarms at home. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, then you get to play with them, but in a public building, you do not play with fire alarms for any reason. Bye.